Hello again, I'm Patrick Stumpf, Product Manager for Donaldson. Welcome to Clearing the Air. You're watching my fourth and final episode of this series where we've explored what makes some dust contaminants especially tough and how collectors can be designed to maximize airflow and control them. In this short video, we're going to focus on the role of the filters within the collector. Filters are at the heart of any effective filtration system. For starters, a filter's shape plays a huge role in the dust collector's ability to dislodge built-up dust cakes during pulse cleaning. Longer, envelope-shaped filter bags allow significantly more filter displacement during pulse cleaning, compared to traditional round or oval-shaped filter bags due to both their height and surface area. The displacement and snap, a quick outward motion of these filter bags during pulse cleaning, is very effective at dislodging dust cakes. Speaking of pulse cleaning, not all systems are created equal. For handling challenging dust, it helps to have an enhanced pulse cleaning signature. That means that the pressure and duration of the pulse have been studied and optimized for even delivery throughout the filter. This increases the collector's ability to remove dust from the filters. Filter placement is also an important consideration. Increased spacing between filters improves dust dropout, allowing dust to travel down and out of the dust collector more easily. The additional space between filters also reduces the chances that the dust will be recaptured or re-entrained by adjacent filters. Now, you know a little bit about the features of dust collectors and filters that are most effective for handling challenging dust. Please remember that configuring a dust control solution for any application should be done by a trained professional. For help clearing the air in your facility, contact your local Donaldson representative or visit us online at donaldson.com.